Florida, USA, August 30, 2023, where a strong storm wave hit Florida and caused flooding everywhere.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, that's a big one, look!
Oh no! Oh no!
Полный подвал воды однозначно.
The center of Hurricane Idalia has slammed Florida's Gulf Coast at dangerous Category 3 strength, inflicting powerful storm surge and catastrophic winds not seen in this region in 125 years, while promising untold devastation far beyond the landfall zone. Latest, Hurricane Idalia pummeled Cedar Key, Florida, as it came ashore on Wednesday, 30 August. A rapidly intensifying Hurricane Idalia began pounding Cedar Key with rain and storm surge even before it made landfall near Keaton Beach in the Big Bend area of Florida.
Wayne Corey. Downtown. St. Keaton Beach.
Sustained winds of 37 miles per hour were measured on the small island community before 7 a.m. In a video post at 7:17 a.m. from Cedar Key, residents point out the storm surge of 6 feet of rising. The National Hurricane Center is forecasting a potential storm surge of 12 until 16 feet. Not only that, photos and videos show water flowing through streets in Tampa Bay as the area feels the effects of Hurricane Idalia.
Here we are, Dock Street at Cedar Key.
Early Wednesday morning, police in Treasure Island reported a flooding along Gulf Boulevard and said water had started coming over the seawall in some areas along the intracoastal. Streets near the downtown Tampa River Walk are flooding. The Hillsborough River is overflowing onto the River Walk south of Kennedy Avenue. Storm Team 8 Chief Meteorologist said Pinellas County could see storm surge level of about 4 to 6 feet above the ground. Parts of Pasco County could see up to 8 feet. And from Crystal River all the way up to Cedar Key, levels could reach up to 10 feet. Streets in St. Pete Beach were also left underwater, according to Pinellas County Sheriff Office, which reported 3 to 4 feet of water on Sunset Way. The agency also shared video of flooding on Pass April Way. The city of Phoenix also reported flooding in Tarpon Center Drive, Golden Beach Boulevard, Villa Drive, and Flamingo Drive. Water was also coming over the seawall along Bayshore Boulevard in Tampa. Emergency officials are telling residents to keep off the roads and stay hunkered down until storm conditions subside. Idalia moved ashore mid-morning Wednesday near Canton Beach in the Big Bend area, where the panhandle meets the peninsula with maximum sustained winds of 125 miles per hour and has begun an omnibus ride across Florida and the coast of Georgia and South Carolina, where residents must combat with floods, strong winds, and tornadoes already impacting Florida's west coast, the National Hurricane Center said. Idalia grew from a tropical storm into a hurricane early Tuesday, a day after passing west of Cuba, where it damaged homes and flooded villages.